Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you doing today? Good. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great as well. But before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on now, let's get into this video. We have some shower steamers to do. All right. We have what we need. I already was getting ready to start without you, but let me continue. We need 2 cups of baking soda. 2 cups of baking soda. Okay. A little short there. We need 1 cup of citric acid. All right. Let's get this in. And since we are making Fir Needle, I thought about green. So we are going to put a little green mica powder in here, okay? So you know what I'm looking for, right? Which I don't see. So close, but yet so far. I know it's here. It's just blending in. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm looking for my popsicle stick, if you was wondering, guys. All right. So we have Woodland Green Pigment Powder. Woodland Green Pigment Powder. I have no idea where my popsicle stick, so I shall tap in very little. You know I don't like much color. Just enough to show that it's green. As soon as I can get some out. Okay. Maybe this bag is empty. So you see what I'm going to do? I'm going to take some of the baking soda and citric acid and put it in the bag. Waste not want. Now you see all that color in there? Now watch how much color is going to come up off of this. Probably going to make it too dark. So I'm going to be very careful. Okay, good. It didn't make it too dark that I could see. All right, that should do it. Okay. Fir Needle Essential Oil. You need 1 tablespoon. Whoa, Johnny. Take it easy. This is on a teaspoon. So I put 2 teaspoons in, okay? See, I told you it was green. You see it? I'm gonna stir it in just a little bit to get it going. Then you know you got to get your hands in it because you have to feel it. We're going to add the water, and you know the water is going to bring it out too, bring the color out. How you feeling today? Is everyone doing good? I'm doing well. Let me give you the quote of the day because I don't want to forget the quote of today. The quote of the day is, all is good in the hood. Is all is good in your hood? All is good in the hood. Oh, this smells really good, guys. It really does. All is good in the hood. All right. Might not be able to see it. It's just a tinge of green. Very light. Just the way I like it. All right. Now we need our water. I'm looking for that little bottle, which is right here. We have, you can either use witch hazel, alcohol, or water. Doesn't matter. I'm putting some sprays in here to weten this stuff up so we can get the mixing. It can be a little darker. I think I want it a little darker than this. And I have plenty of greens. I just didn't want to mess it up with this hand. Okay. Oh, I know that's going to be enough now. All right, now take your water. You know, I hate playing with this little spray bottle, but you don't want to overdo it. But I have made so many bath bombs in my life that I can actually take some water. Don't you try this though. But what I'm going to do is just pour in a little bit of drops at a time and mix it that way. So we can get this going, right? All is good in the hood. There we go. I like the green. You know me, I like to keep it light. Need some more water. There you go. We almost there to our consistency that we like. It smells really, this smells like a nice candle, a nice Christmas holiday candle. Well, Christmas is over, but you can still use the holiday scents, you know. It smells very holiday. I like it. I'm not happy with my color though. But I guess it's green enough. I didn't want to make it too dark. But I would like it to have just a little bit more color. So I am going to add a little bit more. Just a touch. Just a touch. That should do it. That should make me happy now. Let's see if that makes me happy. And then we have our consistency too. So we ready to go. See how that bubbles up, right? I have my half bath bomb molds here ready to go. Let me move this stuff out my tray so we can get to going. All right, I have my molds here. I'm happy with that color, right? You like that? Very nice green, right? I like that. All right. Just like I said, as long as it can keep that shape, you're good to go. Stuff it in your bath bomb mold. Make sure you press firmly. Get it all in there. Fill it all the way to the rim. There you go. Very nice. Fill it to the rim. Okay. Remember, these are only for the shower. Shower use only. You cannot use these in the tub. It's too much essential oil. Bath bombs are for bath tubs. Shower steamers are for showers. Okay. And I'm putting them in the tray right here next to me. All right. So let's go over the ingredients again. So it's 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid, 1 tablespoon of essential or fragrant oil. You need a small spray bottle of witch hazel, water, or alcohol, okay? And that is it. And of course you need your mold of your choice, whatever you like to use. I like to use my bath bombs, half molds. I love these. But there's all kind of molds you can use, whatever your preference is, okay? But I like to use these for my shops. Have you gone over to my Etsy shop and check it out? Go check out my Etsy shop. Of course, these are all listed. They're listed down below. The link is down below in the description. All right. I'm going to be quiet now. Here's some music for you. Fir Needle Shower Steamers. Beautiful. Let me show you up close. Fir Needle Essential Oil. Okay. Mwah. Love you guys. You have a wonderful day. And I see you in the next video, okay? Be safe. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.